Hi, I'm Tanmaya.
And I'm Vyoma, and this is
Fuck it, we ball.
Hi.
That's just-
Do I
Yeah,
introduce
go for
myself? Hi, I'm Shaurya.
Hi, I'm
You want,
Jayant.
like-
Hi.
Very excited to be here.
it looks like it.
Yeah, you look very excited.
पहले बताओ fuck it we ball का मतलब क्या है?
Fuck it, we ball, but BAWL is a podcast about, matlab, we just want to talk about mental health, make it more accessible and relatable. And we thought, who better to have here than our childhood friends, Shaurya and Jayant, to talk about mental health for the first time ever.
It's
Go
also
through all
like
the school childhood traumas together.
together. I was just thinking about that. I was like, wait, guys, how long have we known each other? Sixth grade.
Yeah.
Longer
Before
than
that,
I think.
yeah.
How longer than that?
Probably 6th grade onwards.
Probably, yeah, probably. I
No,
was
no,
just thinking
much
how we've
before.
seen each other's asshole phases, bitch phases.
Thank God you said phases. I was like,
Yeah.
मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं.
Not being friends
Yeah.
phases.
How many times have I mooned?
Yeah, I'm sure I would have seen some assholes as well.
I think you're thinking about someone. But thanks for being here, guys, and for trusting us on only our third episode. We're really grateful. And we
Yeah.
hope you
I
don't
mean,
judge
trust
us
could
too
only
much.
go down from here, I feel.
Yeah, I think so. I think we peaked.
This is our peak.
Friendship
for
has
sure.
peaked here.
Any you guys have gone viral, so it's a good opportunity to be here यार on your podcast.
Only
कितने
one-
release हो गए हैं तुम्हारे podcast?
एक भी नहीं.
So this is very high
So
stakes.
we are guinea pigs.
Very high
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys might get cancelled before we even release it.
Vyoma might get cancelled for anyone else, actually.
Yeah,
Why?
yeah, yeah. Because I did the podcast with Sukrit and Yuvraj today.
So
I said some debatable stuff.
But on that podcast, I think it's still mild. I don't think
Yeah,
you can
yeah, I
up
was-
their game.
Yeah.
I was the mild one on that podcast.
Yeah. But so we've got two cute, funnish games for you guys today, and I hope you don't get like overwhelmed in that. And otherwise, we just want to like ask you what it's like, what things are like from like men's perspective. Okay.
Yeah, because men's mental health is not talked about as much as I think women talk about it because it's just not as acceptable. So we thought it'll be nice to have you guys here and see what you have to say. Yeah.
गलत guest को बुला लिया तुमने.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is, you're inviting us to get cancelled.
No, mental like I
Just kidding.
This is the closest I've been to therapy. Like this is-
I think.
It's always good to test your jokes before.
But when I heard it was so funny, so I was like, save it for the podcast. But no, I think both of you are two guys who I know I trust with being able to say that, guys, I'm feeling anxious, or like, I don't want to be here right now, or I don't want to be doing this right now, or like, get me out of this particular situation. Because I've tested it on both of you at different points, and you've both reacted decently well. We've had a few fights about it. But, we learn.
Yeah.
I also learn how to say it better.
I learn. I
Yeah.
learn.
No, we learn.
Yeah.
It's okay.
One learns more than the other. That's also okay.
But just to get you guys comfy.
So
and
we start with a
in the
game?
mood. Yeah,
But
we're
wait,
starting with a
I
game.
want to just clarify. You said cute, fun games.
Yeah.
And then you said, I hope it doesn't overwhelm you.
Yeah,
What does
because
that mean?
it's
There are questions that only women are supposed to know the answer to. So don't be surprised if you do horribly wrong.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, this is like testing our knowledge of the menstrual cycle.
still has a girlfriend.
भाई
so
उससे क्या होता
best
है?
of luck
I
to
mean,
you.
I've had some
Female experience.
friends in the
Fe-
past,
Yeah.
In the past.
but
So then I needed coffee instead of beer, man.
No, I think you might be freer with the
No,
beer.
एक तो I think with coffee, it would have been closest I would have come to coffee with Karan.
Ouch.
Now you're doing...
Games in the first round.
Game the first round, yes. Okay, so
I can peek.
No, you
No,
cannot
I'm
be.
saying I can. So
Oh, sorry.
right.
I lied.
this is a trivia. We're going to ask the questions. You're going to say me if you want to answer.
No.
This is a pounce
Can
and
we-
bounce, bro.
Can we do animal sounds? So Jayant
fine.
barks and Shaurya meows. And whichever we hear first, that
Done.
person answers.
Done. And you get points.
And you get points. 10 points for the right answer, minus 5 for the wrong answer.
No.
Okay, no
We
minus
expect
points.
them to get
Minus नहीं हो
Okay,
पाएगा
okay,
भाई.
okay.
You can clearly obviously get the winner out of our store,
Okay,
so you don't
fine.
need minus points
Yeah.
to make us feel bad.
Yeah. I think minus points, y'all both will be in minus 50.
हाँ हो सकता है.
But
You never know.
are you guys placing bets on this?
My bet is that Shaurya will do better.
I think Jayant, because he has a girlfriend. This is something
So
you
we're-
stop cheating.
Bro, if you allow him to cheat and I lose this.
He's not, he can't see anything.
Anyway, the answers aren't on the paper. The answers are in our head.
Oh, the answers are
Oh,
not.
yeah.
Okay.
So what are you gonna
So then why are you hiding the paper?
I don't want you to know the question before I ask
Okay,
it.
okay.
I want
Fair.
to get your reaction. Like, what?
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah, if you guys had answers on the paper, then I'll fucking flash it like their own cheat sheet.
This has reminded me of a very funny 12th grade Jayant Chand story you're going to remember. We'll talk about it later.
Jan Chand, what story?
Why tell it? We can all hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant like after this round. But do you remember our business studies pre-board?
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah.
We were all in the same section. We were getting the...
Failed that one.
Exactly, okay?
I
You
didn't have
failed,
business
I failed. Everyone failed and Jayant passed. And he did really well.
Are you serious?
So the teacher comes in and she's like, no one is going to get the answer papers till you tell me how Jayant Chand
Oh,
passed.
yes. Now I remember this.
And she sat there, I think, for 2 periods. And we kept laughing. She was fun. And we all knew how
Oh,
he
so
passed.
she wasn't serious.
No, she didn't give our papers. Finally, we had to be like, okay, fine. Sorry, जयंत के पास असाइनमेंट बुकलेट थी एग्जाम के टाइम पे और इसलिए वो पास
तूने बता दिया था?
भाई
Actually,
तूने
no.
बताया था यार 2 पीरियड हो गए थे
I went with the proper answer sheet.
Okay, then let me ask you this. How many marks did he get with the answer
like
sheet? in
60
his hand?
something yeah.
Out of 100.
out of 80.
Out of
Oh,
80.
that's pretty good.
That's
pretty good.
And we had failed, so you need to understand
हाँ,
like
हाँ,
the
हाँ,
difference.
And I couldn't like open it and write सारा
did
ना तो
well.
मतलब जितनी चीटिंग कर सकता था उतनी काफी अच्छी की मैंने
Then he took
नहीं चीटिंग में तो मास्टर हो आप हमेशा से that's fine.
ऐसा मत बोलो यार.
former employers.
I meant exams.
हाँ questions पे आते हैं questions पे.
Okay, but back to the trivia. You want to ask the first question?
Okay, I'll ask the first question. If I hear a bark, Jayant will answer. If I hear a meow,
So
Shaurya.
if I bark, he has to answer.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
कुत्ता तो तू है ही.
Okay. First question. What is a pap smear? And the crowd goes silent.
I've heard about this. It's a medical test. I know this.
Meow, please.
Is it? Does
Meow,
it? Oh,
please.
meow, meow.
Yes, Shaurya, please answer.
Simply going by the name of the thing, I actually don't know it, but I'm gonna guesswork my way into this. It's a smear of your vaginal area to check whatever
Almost.
some metrics there. I
Yeah,
don't
okay,
know, like
fine.
the
Yeah.
acidity level, no, or yeast infection.
Cancer.
Cancer. Close.
Close, not too
HPV
bad.
or cancer.
HPV or cancer.
That was
I'll
pretty
give
close.
that
I
to
think
you.
he deserves 10 points.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah,
Good job,
भाई,
good
I had
job.
no
What's
idea.
PAP though?
I don't know. Probably like papping at
Minus
your
5.
badge.
-5.
-5 for the host.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Papping at the back.
yeah, like you're peeping at it.
Then we call it peeps.
Peep smear.
That's what Giant does.
Okay. What is a water line?
Again,
Water
I can-
line.
meow. I'll guesswork this again. Does it have to do something with when you say you're pregnant and your water breaks?
I don't know. You have to tell us.
Huh?
I don't know. I mean, I
don't
know.
have
I'm
the
not telling
answer?
you. You have to guess.
Oh, no, so that's my guess. That's
No,
Okay,
you want to
woof.
take a guess?
Okay, go.
Does it have to do with sweat?
No.
Okay, I have no idea.
It's where you put the kajal under your eye.
oh wow. I went with the earlier theme of like the
So
crotch
it
area.
is like it does have to do a bit with no, it's not sweat.
It's a
Not
water line.
sweat.
It's yours. You also
Here.
have a
yeah,
water
like
line.
over
No.
here, the inner part of your eye where you put your
Everyone
kajal.
has a water line. What do you mean no?
No, I said oh. I didn't
Okay,
say no.
how about to make this more interesting? The first person to answer gets 5 points extra.
What does that mean?
Oh, they're
अभी
equal
तो
right
दोनों
now.
से ही नहीं हो रहा आंसर.
अभी equal है. नहीं है equal. Sorry, he's on plus
No, I
10.
didn't even
Jayant is
understand
0.
the-
I'm 0.
No, like
Shaurya
the
is
first
10.
person who shows initiative to answer gets bonus points.
अच्छा,
Just
फिर
from meowing and barking.
But it gets
Yeah,
so,
but you have
it
to
gets
say
so
something.
complicated.
Okay, we'll see. If I feel like giving bonus points, I'll give them out.
चलो ठीक है.
This is-
अगर
whose line
मेरा-
is it anyway?
अगर मेरा बाक अच्छा हुआ तो दे दियो.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yeah, this one was just bow.
पूछ ले.
Yeah. What are Kegel exercises?
Yes, that was quick.
Meow after
Kegel
this.
exercises are like to tighten your muscle between your pelvis, like around your pelvic area.
Nice.
Even I knew that.
10 points for Jayant. And we can give him 5 extra because that was a nice move.
That was a nice
Oh
one.
shit.
Now it's
Yes.
15-10.
Let's go.
Shaurya, no pressure.
This is not about pressure. I think I'm
Okay.
Kegel muscles.
Okay. What is
exercise my
what
kegels.
is what is the luteal phase? Luteal?
Woof. It's a cycle in your menstruation cycle. Period in your menstruation cycle. No, it's a phase in your menstruation cycle. There are 4 phases, I think. And luteal is probably the one before you get the period.
Yo.
Yeah.
No, it's very obvious.
is
Yeah,
one
kind of.
Yeah, before you get the
Yeah,
period.
yeah.
He's right. Jayant,
I
I'm
think he
very
deserves 20
impressed.
points for that.
Jayant, you get 20 points.
That is crazy.
Who's keeping
I
track of the
just
score?
saw a real day for yesterday.
So we're 10 and 35.
Fully tutored.
10 and 35.
भाई Instagram डाल ले भाई कुछ फायदा होता है
very
इसका.
good with my bet on Jaya.
Yeah, I'm losing this bet, Shaurya.
Yeah.
Then you give me extra points and you take.
Okay, you meow nicely. Then
Meow, yeah, give us a nice meow.
Okay, where on your face, when you're putting makeup, does contour go?
हाथ से बता दे
On
सारा
your
answer.
no, I know on your cheekbone. On your contour, so when you like, I've seen Amrita put makeup. She smiles
Meow.
and she puts something to figure out some. I don't-
Meow.
Is it the lower part of the cheek to contour your?
That
That is correct.
Accent your what do you call it? Your jawline.
yes, jawline and your
Cheekbones.
cheekbones.
Yeah,
that was
come
correct.
on, man. You can't like
But
take that
that
away.
cheek is, if you put contour on your
So-
cheek, then your cheeks end up looking
अरे
Blush
तो
goes
contour
on your
उसके just नीचे. It's part.
Nah. We're
Split
giving this to
करो यार.
Shaurya.
Giving this to Shaurya.
And for the meow.
For the, yeah, sure. 5
Like the
points for
meow.
meow.
He put it. He goes meow. Okay, guys,
This
this
one's
is
kind of
easy.
easy.
It depends on who barks first or meows first. Okay, what's a French manicure?
Meow. This was louder. You get 5 points for that, but I'll answer.
No, I'll answer.
I
I'll
heard
answer.
Shaurya first.
Because it's like
I heard Jayant.
it's my. I like them the most on a woman, like French manicure.
Okay, how about we do 3, 2, 1 and you both say the answer together?
No, you go first.
I go
I
first.
really want to know
Is
what
the
you
nails with like the white.
But those are French tips.
No, French manicure. That's
Manicure
French
is also that only.
Yeah.
Yeah. What were you going to say?
No, that only. But I got confused because I thought those are just called French tips.
Nice. So
We'll give it to both of
5,
them.
10 points each.
I'm not counting anyone. by the way.
Okay, this one is also really easy. What's a sweetheart neckline?
Sweetheart neckline.
Take a guess, guys.
This is to do with depth
Oh,
Of what?
of the
Of your
neckline.
neckline. Of
Mukund over there knows the answer.
He's asking us.
is it a?
it's to do with the shape of a neckline. Now, are you closer?
He's drawing it. He's doing this.
I think you should take Mukund's advice.
I just answered. It's this.
It's a heart
It's a
on
heart.
your neckline,
That
guys.
I'm drawing a heart.
Nobody gets
No,
this.
You
this
did
is-
not
no,
do
it's-
that.
Like,
It's
You
the
did not do
upper wala
that.
part of a heart. It's like a that.
Oh, and I was saying
That's a-
something else.
Yeah, you were saying the bottom part.
You,
of
you were also wrong.
Mukund also wrong.
nobody,
tum
nobody gets this.
Okay.
50 points for the correct answer. Okay, what is the full form of PCOS?
Oh, full form.
Yeah.
Shit. PCOS is like PCOD, but
It's the same
S
thing.
is syndrome, D
Yeah.
is disease, I think.
Disorder?
Disorder,
Yeah,
disorder.
whatever.
No idea.
PCOS. P period.
C.
C is coming.
Period coming out.
Onset. One is O is onset, I think. I can explain it to you, but I can't.
Explain
Okay, and what's the D?
D is S. You said
Oh,
S.
S, sorry, S.
S is syndrome.
So period coming onset syndrome is Jayant's
Onset
answer.
syndrome.
Okay.
Do I get points for this? For shutting up?
You get points for trying. Try,
No, wait,
try.
wait,
Let me
wait.
hear yours,
Okay,
Shaurya.
let me hear yours. yeah.
Period.
Postcoital. Postcoital ominous sight. What the fuck, dude? Oh,
what did I just see?
do?
Oh my god.
How did I
Okay.
get here?
For your information, it is polycystic ovary syndrome.
I got syndrome right.
You got syndrome,
So
right?
you get
Yeah.
1/4 the points.
Yeah, fine. You get 15 points. Jayant is the winner.
I think Jayant wins regardless.
I'm happy with my bet.
Yeah.
Give me a high five.
I'm happy to lose this one also for some reason.
Okay, we have 5 picture questions as part of this trivia. What is this?
Pasties.
Ooh.
भाई
Okay.
मेरे को तो मैं तो फूल बोलने वाला था.
Oh.
Okay. What is this?
The laser.
Wait. Okay.
Oh.
Meow? Meow. No.
Show the camera also.
Hair removal.
Did you woof?
Woof.
Why does it have a pedal?
रेस देने के लिए.
It looks like a tattooing machine to me, man. No idea.
Jayant, any guesses?
यार पास लाओ ना मेरे को. So that goes into that, and
But that goes into where? The thing.
but what are the tips?
Okay,
Like
this
there's
is
are
the tool.
attachments. I got it. That's the tool. This is the main machine.
Yeah.
This goes into the main machine.
Something
and
is getting
These
drilled.
are like the tips
Yeah.
of the tool.
So what do they do?
So these are. ये तो पेचकस लग रहा है.
Yeah. Proper peachkas hai.
Okay, wait.
What is a pechkas?
This is a makeup something.
Or is it a piercing machine? Can't be that.
Is this used for makeup?
Getting warmer. Not,
Makeup,
not
no,
on the
because-
face.
No, not. Oh my god,
Okay,
not on the
Shaurya was
face.
very close when he said it was a drill. But what is a drill?
Did you see it?
Yeah. But it's not piercing anything.
No, it's not piercing anything. It's drilling something.
Is it a dentistry tool?
नहीं भाई.
I think you've taken them further away. Should we give up?
Drill.
What part of your body could possibly be drilled without getting hurt?
Oh my god, you're making this sound very, very wrong.
No part.
अरे not our part. मतलब.
Even their parts, bro.
Is it like a?
We just have
Is
one
it like
missing
a
part or
weird fuck
vice
machine or
versa.
something?
Weird fuck machine. Oh, is it a sex toy? Not? Why does it have a pedal then?
Is it to groom your
Yeah, it's to groom some part of you.
to groom your vagina?
No. What do you mean groom your
I don't know.
vagina?
You're like hinting. I don't know what.
I'm gonna give them the answer. It's to remove the gel paint from your nails.
It's a nail file.
What the fuck?
nail
एक
file.
second भाई मैंने सबसे पहले बोला था makeup. तुमने
Yeah,
बोला
so I
no.
said you're
and nails
close. I
are
said
not
not
the
on the
same
face.
thing. But yeah, you guys are
so
both.
that's the
That's what
same
I
thing.
was thinking. No, it's to
But,
remove those buffer and all.
Why is it so
Huh.
complicated?
Nobody gets this.
Then
What
why the
is
fuck are we supposed to get
This.
it?
No, neither of you. Woof. Yeah.
This is for your eyelashes.
Yeah.
Color. It's a color.
Yeah.
Is it?
Nice one, guys.
So do they both get
Okay.
it?
Yeah, both of you get 10 points each. Okay. What is this?
Meow.
Have to know this.
Meow.
Come on. Yes.
It's a menstrual cup.
Good
Yes. Where does it go?
Wow.
Where the sun don't shine.
I think in your ear.
Okay, and the last one. What is this?
Meow. It's a
Yeah.
toe separator.
job. Whoa.
Okay, I was not
What?
expecting you guys to get
He-
that.
I
Thought of it
didn't
so
know
quickly,
this. I didn't
dude.
know this.
Yeah.
Toe separator for like painting nails.
When you're painting
yeah.
nails. Okay, I'm happy that I placed my bets on Shaurya.
I think Jayant is still winning. Like
Oh,
by
is he?
5 points, maybe.
5 क्या भाई गिनो एक बार गिनना बाद में
बाद में गिनेंगे.
but- So are we comfy now? Are we like chilling in front of the camera and we're comfy with each other?
Yeah.
I understand now what you meant by cute game,
Yes.
but can overwhelm me. And you.
Did it?
You look very calm, bro.
हाँ. But did it overwhelm you? Like why would it overwhelm?
No,
us?
because if you got everything wrong, didn't know anything,
भाई,
then
मतलब
imagine
You guys
the
did much
woman
better.
hatred that you will get on this very viral show.
On a viral show with 0 episodes out right now.
Yeah.
All
No,
of us
I
0
would
viewers.
just like to think that they're having faith in us. And they're like, ye viral to hoga. Which is good.
Yeah, you guys did a lot better than I expected. I was expecting you all to go in minus. So I'm very
I
happy.
honestly don't think you have asked like really tough questions.
But I also think that you guys have had like female friends your whole life. Like your entire life. So it's hard at this point to not know stuff.
Yeah. I'm wondering if there's questions we can ask them about
Men.
Are there?
men health. Or
I
this
would
thing
love
which
to.
they-
I would
they
love to
wouldn't
answer
be able to
something. If
answer.
you think of something off the top of your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I think in
that-
general there's more awareness of like breast cancer, cervical cancer. Like we get a pap smear every 3 years. We get
Supposed
ultrasounds
to.
every year. I mean, I do.
I don't, but I should.
You should.
I've like started doing like blood tests and all like health
Routine
Yeah.
blood
checkups.
test, तो
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
I think everyone has just become more conscious about their health, right, in the last few years.
Yeah, I think at least like once in 6 months or 8 months you should get like a blood
More
test.
than my own health, it's parents' health now.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
sure.
That
But
was
do you guys also
very
feel
scary.
like some health anxiety?
I mean, I don't look at it from, for me personally, I'm not looking at it from like my parameter angles, but generally just being,
What do you mean parameter?
as in, I don't really check my heart rate if it's on a very,
no.
this thing, or something in my blood isn't right. I mean, I'm not very constantly checking that, but being physically healthy, running,
Yeah, I think everyone's
working
gotten
out,
more like
playing sports.
on this. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Like you've been playing sports, I think, every day.
Not every day, like I try to play like 4 or 5 times a week.
That's excellent. No, you
That's
don't need
really
more than
good,
that.
Yeah,
That's
but
ideal.
because you know I was playing sports in school and after that like I stopped.
Same.
And
yeah.
then when I like reintroduced myself to sports, I was like, bro, this is what I was missing. Like this, that
Exactly.
rush.
Yeah.
Like gymming also doesn't give you that
Can't
rush.
possibly.
So that happened, and with that, of course, like you know, choti cheeze like vitamin D3.
Yeah.
It's not anxiety, but like, so I got like high uric acid in my report.
Oh.
So for like, it's in the back of my mind that okay, don't have too much spinach, don't have like sabut dals, and you know, don't have like this and that. But I'm having beer, which you're not supposed to have.
But like a little bit moderation is okay, I think. I mean, you can't
Yeah,
stop living,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I think people are just getting more conscious about what they're putting into their bodies, which I think is a good thing.
Especially
And
after COVID.
is there something that you guys have personally struggled with mentally?
Anything.
Any fears, anxieties, anything in the recent past or like
Ever.
ever?
Yeah, I think it for me it was like I felt socially anxious, which is not very me after smoking up in large gatherings. So that's why after like college, I like stopped. Like
People
So it-
really underestimate the impact that substances have on your anxieties and mental health, because I feel like for me also the biggest reason why my anxiety is so high right now is because of the constant use of like so much substance in the last few years. And so it's really good that we are all stepping away from that now, because I think it just becomes so normalized, right? Like everyone everywhere is just doing something or the other, and you don't realize what sort of impact it has on you until it gets to a point where you can't really handle it anymore.
Yeah.
The thing is, it takes time. It takes time to like find, and I only say this because now it's been like almost 11 years that I'm gonna be like fully sober, but it's not easy. It takes so much time getting used to because there's a lot of social anxiety on the other side also. Yeah, imagine all your friends are like having a blast, they're having a great time, their emotions are super high, you know. And I used to feel like an outsider at all of these gatherings. Like we're at a party, we're at a wedding, and you have so much love just coming out for each other, and you're all like hugging and dancing and you know, like whatever, talking shit, having just a lot of fun. And even though I know that you are not thinking I'm sober, I'm sober. So in the beginning, it used to be like my emotions are not coming out the same way, or my love is not coming out, and I would just feel very separate from the
you
rest
don't
of
need
it.
alcohol to.
Now I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I think there was again a switch where I was like, okay, when these guys are drunk, I'm also gonna let go of my inhibitions, and I'm also gonna say what I want to say and feel how I want to feel. Which is why now, like, it's become such a, like, when we meet new people and they're like, wait, you don't drink? And I feel so happy every time they say that, because I'm like, I'm doing a good job. You know, like, I don't need the alcohol.
So many times I see her, she's partying more than I
More
am.
than all of us.
After
yeah.
3 drinks, I'm like, I'm dead. And she's like, Bollywood.
Yeah, bro, till 8 a.m. But guys, okay, relating to this, I genuinely have another question. It's not in the notes. Do you feel like there are pressures on men that women don't know about or understand?
Yeah, I don't think it's like about like on men, but I was gonna come to it. Like another fear I had was when I was out of college, and I realized, okay, theater isn't gonna cut it like financially, and I probably don't want to like live that life financially. I don't know, stereotype or in Indian society that the man has to
Make the
you know,
money.
make the money, make the
certain
buck,
amount,
and
yeah.
run the house
Yeah.
and this and that, which I feel is changing, you know, with our generation for sure.
I hope it's changing, but I know it's still there. Like,
It is still
think a
there.
lot
I
of
know
our
it's a
friends
fair
still
anxiety
feel
to have.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
and for
proud of
that
us, I think
and
we're
for
doing
that reason, I've never, to be honest, felt that pressure. I've never seen it upon myself to be the breadwinner.
But did
And
you have
that's-
any like career anxieties when you were starting out? You always knew you wanted to be a lawyer.
Yeah, I sort of set on a path and then didn't really look back. Of course, there's times when you're thinking, did I make the right decision? But that's bad days. Never really a bad period that I went through. And
Yeah,
been
no,
like,
touch
"You
wood,
know,
that's
where
good."
the hell have I landed up?"
Yeah.
What, according to you, are the expectations from a man in a marriage today? Apart from, we'll look apart from just the financial ones. And just like what you think personally from your family experience, the women around you, the men around you.
So we're not talking idealistic situations. We're talking about
Expectations.
Like very practical
base
expectations.
Yeah. Jayan?
Expectations out of me as a husband.
Yes.
भाई देखो, मैं तो ग्रीन फ्लैग हूँ.
तेरी पहली एक्सपेक्टेशन है तो रिंग ले अभी.
Moving on, Shaurya.
According to me, like the biggest expectation that I see is, and which is a very fair expectation, even in modern marriages now, usually the girl is the one who ends up coming and staying with the family, boy's family. To balance that situation is, from some personal experience, is terribly hard. I can. You on one hand, you know, like the other person has literally left everything and come here and is going to and even though your parents and everyone might be, you know, very accepting people, modern people, but there's bound to be, you know, inherent contradiction in the way you've been brought up. And even though there's space to do everything that you want, there is still the other person, like the girl who's come into the family wants, it isn't used to this style of living. So there's more space that you have to create. But if they listen to this, I don't
Is
know.
it coming from your brother and your babi?
Correct.
right?
Of course, this is the personal experience, right? And
Sorry, if I leave everything and move into my husband's parents' house, that's it. I've won. I must now be treated like a
Like a
goddess and
queen.
all given fucking points in life from now till the end.
Because
That's
that's a
Made the
big
biggest fucking
sacrifice to make.
sacrifice.
I agree.
I'm not going to do it. But if I do it, then yes. Then I think that's how you balance it.
Yeah,
You're just
no,
like, ab
that's one.
devi ho.
Then there's no balance also, but you have to
Yeah.
understand your parents also are like, they come from some tradition.
Of
So in order to
course.
break their entire like way of
Worldview.
thinking, worldview, all of that, and it's very hard to create that balance. So that expectation for me is probably the hardest to fulfill.
Shaurya is pretty punctual also in this. Like,
Yes,
we
unlike
met,
some
we
people.
met for pickleball games at like 7. I was there on time mostly. Once I was like, once
No, once you were on
I
time.
do
Has he
believe
ever,
this.
Once you were on time.
ever reached anywhere?
No.
Have you ever
No,
reached
once,
anywhere on
my-
time?
like,
I'm
time.
answering this.
The photo-
Once
Oh.
for a pickleball game.
Okay.
At
Out of the
7
10
o'clock.
pickleball games that we've played.
At 7 o'clock in Delhi winter.
I don't care.
Bro,
was like-
circumstances don't
we had
matter.
a bitching session before you got here. That you are never on time.
Our
See, you
time
always have an
was
excuse. You
7:30.
realize that. आज गुड़गांव से निकला,
हाँ.
कल ट्रैफिक था, परसों
उस दिन नहा रही थी तो
दिल्ली
लेट हो
ठीक
गए.
करो यार, मतलब क्या करें ट्रैफिक का.
Correct, you can't change that. Change yourself.
Change yourself.
Change yourself.
Leave half an hour early.
है ना?
Yeah.
But most people don't have a sense of time. Like their concept of how time works
I
seems to
fucking
be very
agree. Even this
unrealistic.
girl.
अरे
Very
तू शादी
unrealistic.
पे
Also
8 बजे
never on
पहुंच के
time.
10:30 बजे निकल जाता है.
That's a bit much.
No,
That's
fine,
true.
I understand that. I'm hard on myself
हाँ.
to that extent, but I can do both things. मैं 8 बजे पहुंच के 12 बजे 1 बजे भी निकल सकता हूँ, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कल क्या होगा, क्या करना है मेरे को. बट मैं कर सकता हूँ.
बट
तू
दूल्हा
कर नहीं
दुल्हन
सकता
पर
है.
दूल्हा दुल्हन से पहले पहुंच के क्या करेगा?
वही तो प्रॉब्लम तेरी है. तेरे को लगता है दूल्हा दुल्हन भी लेट होंगे तो
Shaurya,
मेरे को लेट ही आना
By
चाहिए.
the way,
बट वो टाइम पे
do
आते
you
हैं.
know? But you have a very bad habit of finding me whenever you're drunk, and whichever drunk person you're with, you try and pin them off on me, and it's always
What
me.
does that mean?
Always me.
No, what does that mean?
You come, I'm standing, you know I'm sober. So I remember once at Gopika's wedding, you were standing next to Vyoma and you guys were having a conversation. And I'm just chilling on the side and Shaurya is done with the conversation. He's come and he's like, "Ye le." And I'm like, what? 2 hours later, he's done that to me with And you do this every time. Wherever we are, if you and I are there, you will pin off your drunk partner on me.
This is multiple times.
Multiple times.
Not just that one party.
No,
But
you're
this
just
is new.
like,
This is new to me.
Handle this person. You're like, this one is crying, this one is screaming.
But you do that
Let's go
well. You
fight
do that
them.
well.
No, I'm not going to do it anymore.
You enjoy it.
I'll just get in trouble the next day, so I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never.
Jayad knows that.
Next day I leave by 7 a.m.
Yes, exactly. Are you excited for whenever you do get married?
I think so.
Yeah, it's going to be so.
Just remove the think also.
Yeah,
am
I'm
so excited.
so excited.
I so very excited. No, but are you guys excited about your marriage?
I'm not going to be living with anyone except my boyfriend. So yeah.
That's not the
not-
question, bro.
Yes.
Yes, so-
No, I'm scared.
You're
I'm
scared?
also excited, but I'm also very scared. So
Is this podcast about marriage?
For the last 5
You asked
minutes
the
and the
question.
fact that you feel so threatened by it. I understand the think in the soul.
personality is threatened.
यार so it's just I don't know ऐसे ही है यार मैं मतलब commitment से थोड़ा सा ना हमेशा से फटती है मेरी
Yeah.
तो
Hard
it's a
to
whole
say that after
package
a
of
7-year
anxiety.
7
relationship.
years, I think you're very good with that. You're in, you're settled. So there's nothing there. But I think for me it's because I don't even know what the fear is. It's just for me it's like mummy papa ko chhod ke jana padega and like only child, I'm super close to them and I'm just like let me delay. I mean I'm also very excited, like I want a ring and I want to be a fiance and I want to like have the pretty thing on my finger, but when it comes to and I want to have the wedding, like I want to do the dances and everything, and then I want to go back to my house and go to sleep in my own room
Bring him
and
with
be
you.
like, see you tomorrow.
You'll send him home. You'll
Yeah,
send him
because
home.
I can live with him separately. I cannot. I am not comfy in that. Like, I'm joking, of course. I'm not gonna do that. Like any of that. I'm just saying those are my anxieties and fears.
modern marriages, bro. You can live with your parents. He can live with his parents.
Oh, nobody lives with
Nobody lives together.
Make it work.
long distance marriage.
Do you guys sometimes feel like I've always wanted to ask this question? Do you feel like everyone is seeing each other and what is the
Oh, you're
situation
like
with that?
directed to the singles. Yeah.
Yeah.
Directed to both
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah. See, my straight answer is no. I don't feel like I'm lacking anything in life or there's something that needs to happen quickly for me. None of that. But it's a theme in my head always, right? Like relationship is always there to talk about what I'm currently going through, what my current view is on that. So if it's such a big theme, sometimes I wonder what is it that makes me want to think about it so much. But from a place of do I like am I missing out on something currently? I don't feel that.
My straight answer would be yes. Like I have, at least in the last like year or so, I have really missed being in a relationship because I've been single for like 2 years now, pretty much, except like a couple of flings here and there. And when I see people in relationships, it's so hard for me not to be like, okay, I want that. You want that comfort with someone, you want that intimacy, you want that person that you share something with. But at the same time, right now, my standards are just a little too high. Like I've set standards and expectations from myself and from a relationship that no one's meeting those standards. And if people aren't meeting those standards, then I'm just not going ahead with things. So
Standards as in?
just from what you want out of a partner.
That you'll know after you get into a relationship.
Vyoma? No. Don't listen to Jan. Don't jump into a relationship.
I'm not
I love
saying
the
jump
new,
into-
For Vyoma, bro, I love the new, like, these are the minimum standards. Yes, do you know how much filth I have had to fucking
Yeah.
tread through in her life?
Yeah, there's been a lot.
And have to pretend like,
to like them.
no, he's fine. I love it. This is fucking great. And I'm just like, fuck, bro, where does she
It's
find
bad.
them?
I really know how to pick them. I really know how to pick
I don't know
them.
where you're picking them from, but it's all the same place.
The garbage.
It's a bin. It's a
तेरे घर में तो
garbage
सब्जी तो
bin.
नहीं खरीदती ना
क्यों?
तो पता चले जो दब रहा है वही ले आएगा
My God.
Yeah.
Like there have been times when like auntie has called me and been like, what is happening? I'm like, you tell me.
तो मेरे को
You raised
concept
her.
नहीं- हाँ, मेरे को concept नहीं समझ आया what they check that what is ripe and what is कितना क्या हुआ है
Have you talked
दबा
about
दबा के
sabzi?
yeah
What else? What does she
Sabzi,
check?
of
Touch the
course.
mic.
No, men we're talking about. No? दबा के
तो
देखते
दबा
हैं.
के check कर.
मैं तो सब कुछ दबा के
Is that
check
a
करती हूँ.
standard?
Ripe enough.
I don't
What
want
are you pretending to hold at this point?
What do you think?
You just need
Your
one.
standards have been set wrong.
Guys, it's my future in-laws.
If those are the sizes you're looking for, bro.
I like big balls. What can I say?
She was like, I check everything.
My God.
And this is, I mean,
Bro,
are you looking for a horse or what?
I like big
Or a
balls.
tiny
What
ass
can I
man.
say?
Doesn't matter what's between them.
Ew. Okay. Anyway.
Talking about relationships.
Fun games or no? Achha.
Last two questions.
Okay.
Okay. So talking about relationships, this one is more geared towards you, Shaurya, because Jayant has been in a committed monogamous relationship.
Monogamous, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Obviously.
Just checking.
Of course, yeah.
Just kidding, bro. Of course.
Okay.
I believe you. I trust you.
Now they're not going to believe me.
No, I
Oh, I have zero background information on this.
No, monogamous.
just wanted to be funny.
It's going to be 7 years.
7 years, yeah.
7 years almost, I think.
7 years and
So
he's
in-
afraid
but-
of commitment.
7 years in
Yeah.
March, 7 years in May.
March. But I wanted some time with this one. So the first couple of months were like, okay, we know
Overlapping.
what's happening, but
You want exclusive?
Yeah,
So,
other things
yeah.
also happening.
Yeah, but I just want to add that is gorgeous and so above our standards, and the fact that he even took those 2 months, I was shocked at this man's confidence in being like, I need those 2 months, bro, because I would be like, हाँ अभी शादी कल बच्चे let's do it.
कमाल है कर लेती तू
मैं मिल चुकी थी ऑलरेडी किसी और से.
मैं कॉलेज में
But we
थी.
can talk about you.
मैं थी ना इंडिया
थी
में.
नहीं यहाँ पे
हिम्मत ही
bro,
नहीं,
चुरा
हिम्मत ही
लेती
नहीं,
है अमृता को तुझसे.
मैं कोशिश तो करती
I
हूँ.
think if anyone had a chance, it was Yoma.
yeah.
Amrita's too committed,
Now,
yeah.
and Amrita is like a sister, man. Now.
Now, yeah.
Yeah.
She is now literally like my elder sister.
Yeah.
Classic situation of बहन बना लिया.
We got siblings owned by her.
We got
actually.
sisters
अब
owned by
मिली
her.
नहीं तो बहन बना ली
For me,
Okay.
yeah.
So my question was, Shaurya, what are your thoughts on polyamory? Is that something you would consider?
I've been through that stage and discarded it now in life. Polyamory, polygamy doesn't really isn't legal. But no, being in multiple relationships, no. Multiple partners. I've not liked that situation. It's first. If I talk about multiple relationships, I think relationships are very hard work, and so to think about having multiple is just beyond. Yeah, you can't handle it, right?
If
It's
you
just-
manage one for an extended period of time, that's a win.
yeah, that's a
So
win.
multiple.
Yeah. So sometimes I also wonder whether what the purpose of that win is. But so yeah, no. And multiple partners generally, I mean, that's more about a phase, right? That doesn't really.
मैंने तो 8th ग्रेड में बोल दिया था एक लड़की को कि भाई मैं तो अभी छोटा हूँ मैं रिलेशनशिप में नहीं आ सकता और
Guys,
उसको बाद में डेट किया था
nah,
मैंने.
मुझे पता है. So same girl once asked me. She was my best friend, okay, the longest period of time. Sorry, I'm just detracting. So she asked me in the 6th grade. We had just entered senior school, and she was like, "Do you know what a kiss is? Like what snogging is?" And I was like, I guess. Like my dad would always cover my eyes and it would come on TV and all. Okay, so I had no idea. I was like, yeah, maybe
Cover your eyes
kiss on the
physically.
lips. Yeah. And then she's like, when do you think you will have your first kiss? And I was like, after I'm married. Like, as a 6th grader, this was my straight up response. And
Yeah.
she was like, what the fuck? Like, who are you? Who are my friends?
अंकल ये सही तरीका ढूंढा अपने कवर आइज हमारे घर में तो रिमोट से चैनल चेंज हो जाता है
Yeah, even my parents used to cover my eyes, and till date they get awkward if like
Cover
a
your
sex
eyes?
scene comes on
Oh,
TV.
yeah?
Till date, it's just like
But
everyone
I'm
gets
just going
shifty.
to counter that with like a really sweet thing. So, same friend, her parents have a great love marriage, okay? And I used to spend a lot of time at her house. And I used to see a lot of physical affection there. And in the beginning, it was a little bit awkward. And we would all laugh about it because they knew like how I am raised or whatever. But then when I started seeing them like random like kisses of affection through the day, you know, like pecks here and there, I realized now that I'm growing up and imagining like, oh, like a good marriage, that is such a big part of it, and it's so sweet that they would like show their daughter that this is how much your parents love each other. You know, there's nothing wrong with physical affection. It was so cute. I still remember.
Yeah, my mom always says the same thing. It's just like people don't shy away from being violent in front of others. But when it comes to showing love and showing affection, everyone is so like, you can't do this, let's behind closed doors, everything. But like, if you're showing something, if you're showing like, you know, it's better to show love
Than hate.
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
Profound observation.
Yeah. I've been very awkward with PDA.
Yeah, that I think
I love PDA.
there was so many times in school I remember हम लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे लोगों का जो PDA करते थे.
हाथ पकड़ के चल रहे
हाँ,
हैं.
कॉलेज में ये है इसकी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी करता है. ये सब चलता था, which sort of made us very averse to PDA.
Yeah.
And
But now considering you're
I
not
love
in
PDA.
college,
yeah,
would
no, but
you-
it got instilled in you, na. It takes very you need to break out of your shackles for that.
But say you're dating someone, you're in love, and she loves PDA.
See, hypothetically, I can answer anything, but I'm just saying.
Okay, fine. Fair question. Fair. I'm just gonna ask last question, then we'll do some stupid shit again. Do you guys remember a moment in your life with friends or your mother or your sister or whatever when you realized and you remember like this very strong realization that there is a difference between how the world treats men and women?
I mean, not one realization. There's so many.
give some examples?
Any like
Uh,
like when it hit you, when it made you change how you
Okay.
are towards your female.
I want me to go back.
I burped.
Burp louder then so he can get it in the shot.
Sorry.
You're asking my realizations when I
Realize that the world treats men and women differently. Any instances you can think of in your life?
That made you maybe be like, oh, I should change like something that I do towards women.
See, the biggest one from the very beginning has been different curfew times. Like that was always a realization. I don't, if there's no one moment, but to think कि वो लोग घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकल सकते और हम लोग वहाँ पे रात के 2 बजे तक 3 बजे गेड़ियाँ मार रहे हैं. That has always been there.
But to be fair, we never had any curfews.
There's always talk going on skirt lengths and leggings
how
and all
you're
of that.
dressed and this and that. We're hanging around with. and
Even
this
the
and-
word slut gets thrown around so easily in schools.
There's so much
by
curbing of that though now.
teachers and everyone.
Oh, teachers also. Teachers use the word slut.
Yeah,
Really?
for me.
Jesus.
I didn't know that.
What?
That's fucked up.
The only time my parents were called in was after we failed that business studies and 2 other exams.
You guys, huh?
Yeah, it was us.
Yeah, we guys.
Speak for yourselves.
And 2 other exams. So my mom she said I've never felt more embarrassed in my life.
So my mom used to go for my PTAs, and somehow, and we all been really close since we were kids, right? Every single PTA, she would tell me that Jayant ki mom, Dhruv ki mom, and Jayant Dhruv dono wahan pe the. They used to be called for every single PTA, and I think at some point in the 7th grade summer holidays or 8th grade summer holidays, both of them shot up, okay, and all our teachers were really tiny. And my mom would just come back home losing it every time because she was like, वो दोनों इतने लंबे, उन दोनों की माएँ छोटी, टीचर छोटे, and सब उन पे चिल्ला रहे हैं, and they don't care, they're just laughing. Like I remember Seema Sinha used to talk to Dhruv like,
Musketeers.
Dhruv used to come and stand like that, okay? And Seema Sinha's like, Hanji ma'am. And she used to be like, hand on his chest, dur se baat karo.
पीछे होके बात करो.
No, but we loved all our teachers man in school. But मतलब हम ना naughty थे, but हम ऐसे वाले naughty नहीं थे.
You
Yeah,
guys
like-
remember that point where Usha Khanna would start writing on the board? Every time she would start writing, we would all start clapping. She would turn back and we would all be writing on her.
We drove up with teachers.
Yeah, we were bad. We were really bad.
Imagine 8th, 9th, 10th, the 3 of us were together along with half our friends. 11th, 12th, we were together along with half our friends. Our teachers hated us.
Yeah,
As
I
they
think
should.
we have
I would
always...
never want to be a high school teacher, man.
Yeah.
Sounds like the most
It sounds
difficult
like
job in the
torture.
world.
Okay, we're going to the fun part now. It's called Is He Into You? Let's find out. And this is because I'm sure you would agree that have you ever heard other friends or yourself say women are so fucking complicated?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, that's stupid and it's not true. Okay, if a woman likes you, she'll text you, she'll call you, she'll make an effort, and you know she likes you. If she doesn't like you, she'll ignore you, she'll leave you on red, she won't reply. You know that.
Or she'll tell you
I
she's
mean,
not
the-
interested.
Or she'll
Why are you generalizing all women?
Have you had to wonder if a woman likes you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Really?
Very erratic texting has also happened.
Acha.
Then yeah, and then it's very recent, in fact. Okay, I was texting somebody, and it's all text based. Something very funny how it started, but I won't tell you that for now. And then we're texting. It's very erratic texting. मैं लद्दाख में था, तो बीच बीच में मैं भी अपडेट्स भेज रहा हूँ क्या चल रहा है वो सब उसके कभी कभी घंटों बाद मैसेज आ रहे हैं, कभी टक 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 मैसेज आ रहे हैं, फिर एकदम से डेड साइलेंस फॉर लाइक almost 2 days. And then suddenly after 2 days, I get a selfie landed in Delhi. I'm like, bro, what is happening? Like, either you go.
तू मत आ दिल्ली.
Yeah. I mean, on मता दिल्ली तेरे को जहाँ जाना है जहाँ, पर मेरे को क्यों बता रही तू दिल्ली आ गई है?
वो साइन दे रही थी, सिग्नल दे रही थी.
That was the
नहीं,
sign,
then
yeah.
no. After that, I texted her back, and then again erratic texting. So there's
So did you meet? Did it go?
no, of course not.
Okay, fine.
But yeah,
So had
this
the
happens a lot.
texting been better and had your conversation been better, would you have then?
Met her? Yeah, for sure.
We have some questions for you guys. It's not questions. It's like little
Scenarios.
snippets of scenarios and situations, and you have to tell us in this scenario whether the guy in question was into the girl or not. These are real life scenarios.
The guy, अच्छा okay, ठीक
These
है.
are real
So
life
these are things
scenarios.
that guys have done
actually done. Either
And-
happened with us or with our
or a
friends.
friend.
Okay.
Oh, okay. From your
from our
personal
own
experiences.
experiences.
Okay.
You wanna ask the first one?
I wonder how you sat down to think about all of these.
It was
take
very
long.
easy. There's so many.
Yeah. Men are stupid.
Is the guy into you if he talks about his plans and ends it with, you can come if you want?
Of course, 100% into you.
हाँ.
What do you
What
mean?
the fuck? How?
You can come
Why?
if you want.
Would you not be
See,
like,
okay.
please come?
Hey, I would love to have
understand,
you
obviously,
there.
That's
I would
too,
love
that's,
to have you there, मतलब.
That's too obvious an invitation.
यहाँ आके बैठना.
Yeah,
ऐसे
bro.
क्या बोल रहा है?
क्या 8 चीज का कार्ड भेजेगा साथ में?
Arey, what do you mean you can come if you want?
Come if you want is so.
Wait.
Jayant, I'll call you. I'll be like,
one
listen,
second.
I'm making this plan. देखो आना तो
No,
आजा.
no. So we are friends.
Ah, okay.
You are talking about a guy who is talking to a girl.
For the first time, perhaps they're going to
and
meet or
he's
something
saying,
like
yeah,
that.
you can, you know, I'm going here. You can, because he doesn't want to be that direct. Also, that you know, please come.
Fine.
Because
But
वो भी तो रखना है ना थोड़ा.
Yeah, you have to
शक्ति.
play cool
Play
a bit.
cool. But this is not playing it cool. This is just, no, you come if you want. I'm not interested.
He's literally narrated the whole plan. He's like, okay, you know, today I'm coming for a podcast, and you know, it's in a great studio that my friend has. Come if you want.
Fine, they have this one. Yes.
Sure.
Yes, he was into her. This is actually how my boyfriend makes plans with me.
Very normal, but not for an 8-year-long boyfriend.
Come if you see. नहीं
Come if you want.
वहाँ पे मैं रोकना चाहूँगा, ठीक है?
कहाँ पे रुकेगा?
यहाँ पे मैं रोकना चाहूँगा जब मैंने बोला.
So I
कि
made plans with
नहीं,
you and we
इस
weren't dating.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हाँ क्योंकि इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कम इफ यू वांट का मतलब आफ्टर सच ए लॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप ना बोलता है कम इफ यू वांट.
Then तो please मत आ.
Do you
थोड़ा
want?
सा लगता है.
So do
Before
you
we
actually
started
want me to come? No, but you should have said it differently.
Before we started dating, he used to do this. And I used to feel very small showing up because I was like, I don't know if he wants me here. I don't know if he likes me. Like, he's like, I'm going here for my birthday with these people. Come if you want. And I'm like, I mean, I want to come. I'm in love with you. But like, are you? But
But then I think what should be telling is how he treats you if you show up.
yeah, very nice.
Yeah,
Obviously.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then you know.
Yeah,
So,
that's a fair point. Like
So I
once
guess
you're
in
there,
this situation, you have to show up to know if he's into you.
yeah, I feel if he's called you,
Then go.
then go.
I wouldn't personally go in that situation because I would want a little bit of like, hey, come, it'll be nice if you're there.
Understandable, but there's also that fear of rejection initially, na? Like, no, fuck it. It doesn't
I'm
sound
very
the
like
guy.
putting myself on the table.
Like the guy also feels that fear of rejection.
I mean,
Yeah,
I'm
अगर मना
very
ही कर
like
दे तो?
all cards on the table. So for me, it's just very like, okay, I like you. I want you to come. If you don't want to come, don't come. If you want to come, come.
But I think I agree with them here a little.
You have to play it a little cool.
I mean, the way
I'm
you
very
just
bad
said
at
it, if
that.
you want to come, come.
Very
Don't want to
bad.
come, don't
Yeah.
come. I mean, that's
No, obviously I don't say that to them, but to me it's just like I will be straight up about what I want, which is I want you to come. Come, I'll have fun. It'll be nice. I'll try it a little convincing. If it doesn't work, then okay, whatever.
Can be.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least that's the kind
I
of
mean, I
For
love.
this
understand.
guy in the
Ideally-
question, he was definitely interested.
He was into me.
Yeah,
It worked
okay.
out. Okay. Next question. This guy takes her on multiple dates and promises to buy her tickets to her favorite comedy show.
So what?
Is he
Is he
into her
into
or
her or
not?
Is there any doubt?
Yeah, why is this a question?
He's not into her.
Wrong. He ghosted her
ghosted
the
her.
next day.
What?
He ghosted her
Is
the
he
next
alive?
day.
Obviously.
that?
No, wait. They go on multiple dates.
Multiple dates.
And
They have
then
been talking.
They go for a comedy show.
He buys VIP passes for this comedy show for her.
Yeah.
And then gives it to her and
No, he doesn't
give
even give
them
them
to
to
her.
her.
he doesn't show up.
He doesn't show up. He just ghosts her.
And she also can't go now.
She is ready. She hasn't bought her own passes
अरे
because she
but
said
उसने
this
पास
guy
भी नहीं भेजा.
Nahi.
that's a dick. I mean, that's.
And he ghosted her the next day. That's
See,
it,
this is
zero
this is
contact.
this
But
is
does he
just
text
very.
that I
Nothing.
couldn't make it?
Ghosting.
Nothing.
What is
Zero.
ghosting?
But I feel this is an aberration. This is not normal.
Yeah, but we're just talking about like.
Men who
Okay, fine.
can't
You just
communicate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then I don't know. Like you're not clearly interested in her for for the right reasons. I think. I
I'm
don't
going
know.
to preface
are
by
you-
saying not all men. and the fact that I'm saying it is very ironic to me.
I'm
But
not.
yes.
नहीं मतलब but
No,
is
for
that
this situation.
leading you on?
Yeah, this
and
is
then being
rude.
like-
No, this is straight up rude.
Yeah. No, this is.
This is not normal behavior.
That's just straight up asshole behavior.
Okay, Vyoma's turn. But
This
is her
next one
personal-
has happened to me personally.
Okay.
This person
I
stays
feel
up.
like he's not into.
This person has stayed up all night in bed next to me and talks to me about his deepest, darkest desires all night till the next morning.
Depends on the kind of desires.
No,
Is he
just
talking
talk about
opening up
everything.
like a
Life.
Just
Like
talking about
cupcake
life.
shop? Okay.
No, talking about life, relationships, love, all of that.
Okay, but I have
Religion,
questions.
If it's who it is,
No. The
I'm not
questions are: he was sleeping next to you,
Yes.
and was he drunk?
yes.
Maybe the next morning though.
Yeah.
No,
so-
this is night.
No,
No,
at
this is
night
at
when he
night.
was drunk, he was sleeping next to her and he was telling her, blurting out things. So for that, I can't be really sure if he's interested.
He is not. He friend zoned me.
The next day. During this conversation, I think.
Maybe you were too precious a listener to let go, bro.
Yeah, okay, this is the kind of shit that I say to her, which is the point of this.
okay.
Because it's like, no. Like I've said it when I was single, I've said it to myself, I've said it to all my other girlfriends. Maybe you're too good to have as a friend. Maybe he doesn't want to lose you. Maybe this, that. And the answer is straight up, no, bro. Nahi. If he wanted to, he would.
Yeah.
Isn't that?
I feel like I've been that guy once.
Where you've
Like really spoken to somebody about some things very deep, but then after the point where like we're texting.
But
buddies
was
at
she
this
into you?
point. I mean, she called me over for dinner to her house with just her and me.
So she
And-
was.
yes.
And, yeah, and,
And then you did this.
and then we
and
spoke
then
for
you
6
friend-zoned
hours,
her.
and then I went home.
And then you friend zoned her.
And that's
then
it.
we're buddies now, but
Oh, your buddies? Are you
friend
sure?
zoned her.
You think your buddies, or does she know your buddies?
I'll text her.
Men in general, just, like we will be chilling, we'll be at a sleepover, we'll hug. We'll hold hands. Like, when one of us is
Giant
going
all
through
the
something,
time.
we'll... Okay, that's good to know. What else do you hold? But...
अरे? दो कटोरी दही.
I think men in general, don't have a lot of, physical closeness, and so when they get into that intimate space, they're like, might as well cuddle and hold hands and fuck with this girl's head. But
Yeah.
I mean, obviously those are not your intentions, but girls fall fast.
मेरे साथ एक बार हुआ है और फिर उसके बाद मैंने कहा भाई ये क्यों करने की जरूरत है? It sends the wrong signal when I'm not even there.
Exactly, that's good. Next one says he's never felt like this before and he can't wait to grow up with her.
I mean, clearly the answer is the other direction.
No, you
But
can
this is
say
an
it.
obvious,
He's into her.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, so this is.
Says what? I'm sorry.
He says he's never felt like this before and he can't wait to grow up with her.
And this is after how long they've met?
This was about 3 months of seeing each other.
भाई साहब ये तो love at first sight ही लग रहा है almost 3 months के बाद. I want to grow
Yeah.
together.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
Yeah, I mean it can happen, but 3 months, so of course he's interested.
हाँ, I mean,
वो तो
वो तो मेरे को हमें एक दो में भी ये भी लगा था. but
This was my ex-boyfriend and he broke up with me 2 days after he said this.
2 days after. So
He's the only boy who's ever broken up with me.
But how old were you?
15.
So यार क्या कर रहे हो?
Yeah, but
ये
these
क्या
are still
है?
mixed
ये podcast,
signals.
ये क्या 14-15 साल के लोगों को देखना है पॉडकास्ट? भाई तुम अगर देख रहे हो अपनी लाइफ डिसीजन इसके बेस पे मत लेना.
So you say.
Very easy to backtrack.
Exactly. कि
You
वो मैं तो
don't
बच्चा
realize,
हूँ.
you don't realize consequences. You're just like, हाँ बोला था तो क्या हो
तो
गया.
क्या हो गया यार, मतलब वो
कल
तो
mood
movies में देखा है.
कल mood change हो गया मेरा.
15 साल का
अगले दिन
बच्चा तो
breakup
कुछ भी
कर
बोल
लिया.
सकता है यार.
But वो 17-18 साल का था.
यार वो भी
It's
क्या है
not a big
होती है?
age difference.
I know. Okay, the next one is we meet, whatever, vibe, and then after that he does not make a move or talk to her for 3 months straight. And then 3 months later he's like, yo, what's up?
He's clearly looking for a booty call.
Yeah. He's not interested in
So-
dating, but he just wants.
But Vyoma fell for it.
No, I did.
Tarnya fell for it.
This is we have now been dating for 7 years.
Oh,
No, but no. Your situation
this
was
goes in the
different.
playbook.
Your situation was different.
No, I was just crazy.
Okay, this one is again happened to me. So
चार बच्चे हैं.
we cook dinner together. He spends the night, meets me almost every day, and FaceTimes me throughout the day.
Yes, he's interested in you. If you cook dinner together.
Oi,
I also think you should.
No, okay, wait. If you cook dinner together and FaceTime and spend the entire day together, of course he's interested
For
in
a
you.
period of,
but
like-
I have a feeling he wasn't.
You are wrong.
Oh, he was.
No, he wasn't.
Sorry.
He said, I'm not looking for anything serious actually.
I think these are just the men you meet though.
Bro, but imagine this. You're cooking with someone, you're spending the night, you're FaceTiming them, you're spending like a majority of your day talking to this person. And then when I ask him what you're looking for, it's just, oh, sorry, I'm not looking for anything
this is
serious.
very standard avoidant tendencies. These are very standard avoidant tendencies.
No,
So
but-
that's why you like ask that question upfront to gauge whether or not this person is uncomfortable with.
And that worked in my favor because like 2 weeks in, I found out that he isn't looking for anything serious and I ended things.
Is it daunting though being single and asking like? I was single as a kid last, so I don't remember. But like, ask now when you're out there, you're putting yourself out there, someone else is in front of you, and you're doing stuff like cooking together and going on dates, and it's all like super serious and adult, and it's just like, okay, are you into me? Like, I'm into you. Have you had to do that?
I love that question. I love asking it also. I love putting people on the spot because then you have to answer. You can't beat around the bush, right? It's a simple yes or no question.
And yet, men have beat around the bush with you.
Yeah. But
No,
then I have
he
cut them
said
off.
that, I'm not looking for.
बहुत घूम फिर के I had to get to that point myself and then I cut him off.
अगर घूम फिरना है तो तेरे को आंसर वैसे भी पता है.
Very
And
few
in
men
any
want
case
to
में अगर
answer this question straight.
you answer in the other way, it's the wrong answer.
No, but if he
घूम फिर
says
के.
I'm not interested, like
हाँ,
directly, then I would still be like, okay, at least he has the sense to be straight up about it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, maybe he just likes making friends at 25 and cooking with them and
25.
FaceTiming all day.
FaceTiming them.
What's wrong?
Let's skip the
There's
rest.
nothing
I
wrong
just
with
want to
that.
ask them one cute last question.
Done.
On this note only. If you are really into a woman, pretend you're single for a minute. Like if you meet a girl and you're into her and you've not met her through the dating app, so it's not very clear what your intention is, what would you do to tell her that you're into her? Like what is some gesture? Are you still into like the big romantic gestures?
No, I think I'm scared of making big romantic gestures. I don't think I've made them also, but I think it's the constant communication. If like throughout the day we're connecting, she knows everything that has happened with me on that day and like every subsequent day, and then we're making efforts to meet.
But that's what you would do? Like you would just text her, communicate? You wouldn't do anything beyond that?
No, I mean you communicate the fact that you're into that person,
Yeah,
but
so
it's
I'm asking
not
that. Like how would you do that?
So I'll give you an example. I mean, this is pre-dating, but while we were talking and we were doing all of these, like talking throughout the day and all of that.
Talking phase, yeah.
Huh?
In the
Yeah,
talking
correct,
phase.
correct. So one time she told me, actually I should bleep out the name. Huh?
Yes. I already had.
Yeah. So she, and I'm somebody who's always been avoidant and very reluctant to accept my emotions types. And so I'm also very averse to the idea of Valentine's Day. I think it's very, very, very weird. She never had a good Valentine's Day in the 30 plus years of her existence. Never once either broken up or going through a bad phase or single for that matter. So then I arranged like this movie night at my house where I put down mattresses in front of the big screen, and that.
Snacks? Did you,
Huh?
did you
Yeah,
get
all of that,
snacks
all of
and
that.
He was the
wine?
snack.
And so cute.
Kambal.
He was the snack that
He
night.
was the dessert.
He was dessert. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
So that was my big gesture on that day.
That's
so
really
it's more
cute.
so it's more it's not a predetermined big gesture. It's always circumstantial.
But
I
it's like
like
the
the-
extent to which you're willing to go for someone that you're into, right? Like she just suggested that this is something that
Yeah.
she went through, and you were like, yeah, you know what, I'm going to step in and take charge.
Yeah, and we weren't even dating then, so
And also the
that's even
constant
cute too.
communication is such a green flag.
I love
because-
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because that's the biggest thing. At least for me in a relationship, you need to be able to talk to your partner, whether or not it's like big things, small things, but the fact that you're willing to put that effort in no matter how busy you are, to have like meaningless conversations,
Yeah.
meaningful conversations.
that's the
I
best
think-
part, right?
yeah.
That's
Chatting
the whole
shit all
point.
That's how
day,
it starts,
chatting
yeah.
shit all
That's
day.
how
I
it
think
starts.
that's my favorite part about being in a relationship, which I miss the most.
I'm standing in court making weird observations about people, and I'm just like straight away
That's
shooting that into my
Yeah,
phone.
Someone to share your day with.
But
right?
that's also an initial phase, yeah. अब नहीं होता
And
मतलब.
I know so much court gossip because of this
No,
shit.
that like for me, like we talk at night and then that's when we discuss what happened.
This is a
during the
really
day.
cute thing, by the way. I found that out recently that you both do, and I was like, what?
Do what?
Do
Sorry?
what even I want to know.
What?
They still talk. Like 7 years in, they'll talk for like what? At least like an hour and a half at night, right?
Most
Most
times,
nights.
yeah.
And I'm shocked because I'm like, I'm so tired, busy. I'm like, like 10 minutes of
Yeah,
WhatsApp,
I can't
like a
imagine
rundown
this.
and sleep. And this is so cute. Like I
Yeah.
found out and I was like, oh my god, like of course touchwood and green flag for you.
अरे मैं बकवास कर सकता हूँ ना बहुत. तुमने बुलाया मेरे को यहाँ पे, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ.
But okay, what grand gesture would you do?
When
Or you did, for example.
Or you are going to do in the future now.
That is.
No,
I'm
no,
not
you're
putting
talking
you on
about
the
like
spot.
when
You're into someone, but you're not
yeah,
dating them
but
yet.
see, from like with what I did was like she was like the first girl I slid into. क्या बोलते हैं? Slide into
her DMs.
Yeah.
Yeah, nowhere else.
So and that also I had a reference. I can't do like, hey, how are you? I've seen your pictures. I've never done that in
That's
my
a bit
life.
What did
creepy
you do?
also,
What
to
did
be
you do?
fair.
So we had this conversation when we met for the first time, and just picking up a reference, I found a page on Instagram and I sent that to her that see, we're not alone. We were talking about how both of us are not photogenic.
Did you make the
And
effort?
there was this page on Instagram I found that photogenic people of Punjab or something. It was a random page and I don't know how I found it. And I sent that to her and we laughed and we started talking. And then I was like, WhatsApp पे बात कर लेते हैं.
Cute, so effort.
Cute.
Effort and
Communication.
constant communication, I feel, because now after those, like now I'm a very bad texter.
Yeah.
So
पटालिया मिल गई हो गया
मतलब when you know that okay,
मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ है.
so grand gesture, you can say that surprise or something, like I went to Sonipat for a birthday or this because she was in college.
And you weren't dating then.
No.
I remember. Yeah, that's cute.
That's sweet.
So sweet.
So ऐसा कुछ कर लो, मतलब कि कुछ कोई एक
कर लो,
effort
कर लो.
कोई
थोड़ा
एक
थोड़ा डाल दो.
I think one effort where you feel like she isn't expecting you to be there, but you're there for her and whatever, and then she knows that okay, he is definitely interested in me.
Yeah, but what about the anxiety of doing too much?
That तो मैं
That's
तो कर ही नहीं
always
सकता
there,
भाई,
right?
romantic gestures में
That's
से नहीं
what
होता है.
you don't want to come off too strong.
But even 7 years in, that anxiety.
No, of course we're not talking
No,
about
not now.
But like
अब तो
initially.
जो करे
Yeah.
कम है अभी फिलहाल.
सब कुछ कम ही है. हाँ, चलो मेरी बेइज्जती
We
हो गई है
made it
बहुत.
clear.
मेरी ले लिए, खींच लिए मेरी टांग. No, but you have to do some gesture, for not a very big gesture. I like
You can do
मेरे
big
से
gestures also.
वो दिल चाहता है मैं हम 5-4 बज के इतने मिनट पे ये
नहीं,
मैंने
but
उसको
one
दिया
heart
था.
balloon once a week is fine. Every day is too much.
I can't do all that heart balloon.
I hate that shit, but anyway.
But maybe flowers, or maybe if she's hungry, then suddenly you end up.
Food is just too easy a thing also, no?
Yeah, but
But it's also
Most
impactful
important.
though.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it still is?
Yeah, I would love to get food sent over.
Like even when I was dating, I would like surprise her. Cycle
But guys,
on-
okay, even small gestures. Like even now, like one day recently, I stayed over at his house and I wear an Apple Watch and I have a phone, obviously. And I was very sleepy. I passed out. I woke up in the morning. He was sleeping and I saw that he had cutely put my phone on charge and put my watch on charge in 2 different places. And I just woke up and I was just like, this is so fucking cute. Like, even like this small shit. Like, when he woke up, I was like, did you put my watch on charge? And he's like, yeah, I know you like your like devices charged. And I was like, this is so sweet.
That's
like,
really
it's the
cute.
smallest things also for us. So,
For us, nahi, for us also.
for you also, I'm
do some
sure.
For everyone, I'm
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah.
I love small things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not these. छोटी दही की कटोरी.
not these or these.
The small thing that I love the most
Yes, is
is if the other person is on time.
oh, that is my favorite
Jayant.
small thing.
Jayant.
Favorite.
Jayant,
Can't
Danish
get
is
better.
always late.
we
Can't
all
get
love
that
it. Always
तो
when people are on
Can't
time.
get better.
मैं was telling Myoma that day मैं शायद चीटिंग पे ब्रेकअप ना करूँ, मैं किसी और चीज पे ना करूँ, मैं एक दिन लेट होके दिमाग खराब हो गया, I'm gonna be like तू जा, तू वापस जा, तू मत आ.
I don't know how you're friends with me and Jayant.
Your friends, I hate you at times. And my boyfriend, bro, I'm fighting with him on the daily.
No, but यार हमें पता होता है चिल कर रहे हैं तो हम रात तक चिल करने वाले हैं. In that sense, yeah, of course you become late. You know.
Abhi, no, but
I'm just
You are
generally
late.
tardy, which is not a good thing.
Okay, I love that small thing. On that note, we have been talking for an hour and a half. This was very, very cute, and I'm so glad you guys did this with us.
this
Thank
was
you for
amazing.
Yeah, it
agreeing to
was
come and talk
very nice.
about
It
was
everything.
fun.
Being so open and honest and just like sweet, like it was very cute. I think.
Yeah,
it's
a lot
great.
of things that you
We can
guys said that I didn't expect, and like a lot of places we went that I didn't expect you all to go. So I'm quite happy with this.
I loved it. Thank you.
Yay!
Yeah, thank you.
A
This was
lawyer and a
awesome.
liar walk into a podcast
And Jayant.
and me.
He's a liar.